Do you dare me to jump off? Look, I'm just asking me here. If I should jump off, and I don't know if I should. He thinks I should jump into this big crowd of people. And I don't think. Should I or should I not? I don't know. So if I go for a yes, then I will jump with you. What do you mean? I mean with you. You ox! You stupid! I don't know, guy.
Okay then. If you want me to, I will.
Yes, you have to jump. But it's a big.
How is it a big deal?
Because if you don't jump, you have Tammy, you will die.
How on earth?
This is why you're gonna jump. Ow! That hurt! Oh no, we landed right in the middle of the crowd!